Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what you need: your school email or student ID and the name of your institution. Sign in to Apple Music with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, create it now. Once signed in, navigate to Account or Settings and choose the subscription area. Tap the Student Plan option to start verification. This triggers the Student Verification service. Make sure your school name matches records. This step links your Apple account to your student status for the discount. Now you complete the verification flow through the provider Apple uses, commonly UNI-Days. Enter your school-issued email or upload required documents like a student ID or enrollment letter. Photos should be clear and show dates. Once submitted, wait for the verification response. It can be instant or take a few hours. If you receive an email asking to confirm, click the link and return to Apple Music. After approval, your student price is applied. Make sure your billing method is up to date. To finish, review the subscription screen and confirm the student price before you accept. Complete payment setup if required. You'll see the discount applied immediately after successful verification. If verification fails, don't panic. Double-check the school name, email address, and document clarity, then retry the process. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your enrollment proof. Once accepted, know the discount typically renews for a set period. Keep an eye on renewal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.